Okay, guidelines to a good tips or guidelines to a good scannable copy. So, clear headings and subheadings. So, yung headings mo dapat malinaw. So, dun pa lang, alam mo na yung laman. So, may clue ka na kung ano yung kasunod sa baba. So, break up text with white spaces and formatting. O, dito ko sira. Yung mga white spaces separated by punctuations. Tsaka yung formatting na usually kami mga ako, yun yung aking weakness, di ba? Write short sentences and paragraph. So, ang based to sa nakita ko, 2 or 3 sentences lang na nandun lahat doon sa 3. May idea na siya doon sa 2 or 3 sentences kasi sa heading pa lang may idea na siya. Okay. Inverted pyramid style. Use inverted pyramid style. So, ibig sabihin, pag inverted pyramid style, uunahin mo muna yung pinaka-importante bago yung least na importante. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinaka-point. Kasi usually, pag inverted pyramid, yung pinaka-matibay na pundasyon, yung pinaka-main part is nasa ilalim. So, pag in-invert mo yun, yung pinaka-matibay, pinaka-main point mo is nasa una, and then yung least nasa baba. Yun daw yung inverted pyramid style. And then, use active voice and conversational tone. Ibig sabihin ng active voice, na pag-aralan natin since elementary grades na active voice, ikaw lang yung gumagawa. You are actively performing the duty. Kasi pag sinabi mo passive, tapos na. Di ba? I have done my homework. My homework is done. Yung example. Yung homework is done, passive. My homework, I have done my homework. Ibig sabihin, ginagawa mo, active. Basta may currently ginagawa mo, use active voice. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung gumagawa, currently ginagawa mo. Yung conversational tone, hindi masyadong formal. Parang ang ano mo is, parang ang kausap mo lang is usual conversation or convo. Hindi ka masyadong technical para scannable copy. Okay? So, yun yung mga guidelines to a good scannable copy. Kasi scannable copy siya, so less technical ka dapat. So, para maintindihan agad. So, yun lang po.